Okay, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 just took 3 hits in a single leak, and at least 2 of them genuinely stink. No privacy display, no S Pen, and the crease situation is murkier than ever. Trusted leaker Ice Universe just dropped this, and it's time to talk about what Samsung's next foldable is not going to do. Let's get into it. First up, no privacy display on the Fold 8 or Fold 8 Wide. That's the feature on the S26 Ultra that makes your screen unreadable to anyone who isn't looking at it straight on. Honestly, this one isn't a huge shock. The Fold 8 has 2 screens, one of which is a far more complex foldable panel. Adding privacy display technology to that setup this early was always a stretch. The more logical path is Samsung expanding it to the S27 Pro and S27 Ultra first, then eventually bringing it to the foldable lineup down the line. Ice Universe corroborates exactly that direction. So disappointing, but understandable. This one hurts more. The S Pen is not coming to the Fold 8, and that's genuinely unexpected given what the leaks were telling us just weeks ago. Here's the context. The Fold 6 had no built-in stylus, but did work with a separately sold S Pen. Then the Fold 7 went further and dropped S Pen compatibility entirely. Several credible reports then suggested the Fold 8 would bring it back with a new type of stylus that skips the digitizer, meaning it wouldn't add thickness or weight to the phone. That plan is now apparently off the table according to Ice Universe. Could it come back for the Galaxy Z Fold 9 next year? Possibly, but for Fold 8, it's not happening. And now the most confusing one, the crease. The Fold 8's display crease is reportedly not expected to improve much, and this is where things get genuinely interesting. Samsung is widely believed to be supplying the display for Apple's iPhone Ultra, a phone that is expected to achieve a crease-free foldable screen. So the question writes itself. If Samsung can manufacture a crease-free display for Apple, why isn't the Fold 8 getting the same treatment? There are 2 possible explanations here. Either the iPhone Ultra will also have some crease and the crease-free claims have been overstated, or Samsung is holding back that technology for a future Fold generation. Either way, it's confusing, it's unresolved, and it's the most intriguing open question heading into July. To be fair, the Fold 7's crease is already minimal enough that it doesn't affect day-to-day use, so not improving much might not be the disaster it sounds like on paper. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is still expected to be unveiled at Samsung's Unpacked event on July 22nd alongside the Flip 8 and Fold 8 Wide. No privacy display, no S Pen, and a crease that might barely budge. 3 things the Fold 8 won't fix, and now you know going in. The real question is whether everything else Samsung is bringing makes up for these gaps. Does this change how you feel about the Fold 8? Drop it below. Subscribe for the full July Unpacked breakdown. See you there. Peace out.